Hello and welcome to a Mr. Barnett screencast. Today I'm going to show you the lightsaber tutorial, which you'll be doing today and tomorrow. What you're going to want to do is grab the two lightsabers and you're going to go out in the hall and you're going to just take a quick photo. You're actually going to take two photos. So you're going to have one from two different angles. You could partner up with somebody or you could just have it of yourself. Totally your choice. Just remember there's a lot of people waiting in line. So quickly take the photo. Come back in. It's a really good idea when you do take the photo to make sure you have a white background behind you. It's going to make it a lot easier to remove. My photos, I could have used a little bit better of a background. Okay, so first step, you're going to get them into Photoshop and then you want to get them on the same page. Okay, so you're going to open them on two different ones. Do the Control A, Control C, and then Control V to paste. Okay, and then let's do a couple things. So first we're going to remove this little lock here. You just press it. Okay, and then we're going to remove the background. So let's just start with the top one. I like to use the quick selection, and then you actually go down to the magic wand one right here. And then you can start removing them. And then I'm going to do a much quicker version of it. I'll probably mess up like on the hand. When you do it, just slow down and do it. I just want to show you the tutorial and give you enough time to work on it. So I know this will be a pretty poor erase job. Okay, once you get cleared around your subject pretty well, you can do Control D. You can grab an eraser and make it a large brush size, and then it's pretty easy to erase the rest. Okay, so you're just going to do that. Let's do a hard brush on this one. Better. Okay. There we go. Again, I'm just going to do a very quick, terrible job of it. I'll have you do a much nicer job than I am doing going forward. All right, so we got one photo erased. We'll turn that one off. We'll go down to the bottom. We'll turn that one on. Exact same thing. We'll go ahead and click around and start removing it. The magic wand does have a tolerance, and you may drop it down to maybe 25, and it might do a little bit better job about not erasing so much of your objects when you're going around. Oops, Control D, Control D, Control D. Okay. I'm doing a quick version. You may slow down and do a lot better job than I'm going to do on these. I just want to show you how to do it. So let's grab our eraser again. Let's do a quick erase of everything else. Again, you're going to want to zoom in and not erase too much of your subject photo like I am doing here. See if I can get that stuff in there. Delete, delete, and delete. That's going to be good enough for now. I know it looks terrible and messy, but it'll work. Okay, so now we've got our two subject photos. You can kind of place them so their lightsabers are kind of hitting each other. It might be a good idea real quick to just go ahead and grab a background photo for yourself. So if you just go on Google, I mean, we're doing a Star Wars edit, so maybe look up some sort of space background, or you can look up a Star Wars set, something like that, something that will fit the theme. Okay, just go ahead and grab one of them. Grab this one here, copy image, go back down, and we'll go edit, paste. Okay, go ahead and make it fill the screen. Checkbox. Let's put it on the bottom. And then again, you're going to be able to tell how terrible my erase job was. You can still see some of the floor. That's okay. I'll have you kind of go and fix yours when you get to that spot. All right, so now the next step, we're going to do one photo at a time. So we're going to do, let's go and do this top photo here. Okay, and you're going to grab the paintbrush over here. So there's draw. It's right next to the eraser, the paintbrush tool. Okay, and we're going to paint on the lightsaber so it gets the real effect on there. So you want to make sure it's a soft edge brush. And then when you first go to paint on it, you want to make your brush size so it's about twice as wide as the actual lightsaber that's there. So that might work. I might go just a little bit more. Okay, so it's going to be wider than that, and that's okay because we're on the soft edge brush. Okay, and you're going to choose a color. I'm going to go with a red one for here. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click kind of down at the base of your lightsaber. Oops. Control Z. Make sure you're on the right layer. Okay, you're going to click at the base of the lightsaber. You're going to press Shift, and you're going to click at the top, just a little ways above it. Okay, and it's going to fill it in. So again, I'll do that again real quick. So you're going to click, release. Make sure you're on the right layer. Release. Hold down Shift. Click again, and it should fill it up that way. Okay, now you're going to reduce your brush size almost in half, and then I'm going to change it to white this time. You may come a little ways in, but white. You do the same thing. You're going to click once, and then you're going to hold on Shift, and you're going to click at the top. Okay, and there you go. You got your red lightsaber effect right there. Okay, we can turn that layer off, and we'll turn on the other one. We'll do the exact same thing. Okay, this time you're going to I'll choose a green for this lightsaber. You can choose whichever color you want. Okay, we'll go with a nice bright green. Again, you want to make it so it's about twice as large as your lightsaber. Okay. Click once, hold down Shift, then click again. Okay, it's going to fill it up. Looks like I need just a little bit more space there. Same thing, we're going to change it over to white. Change your brush size down in half. Okay, click once, hold down Shift, click again. There you go. Okay, so we've got that one and we've got this one, and now we've got our two lightsabers fighting. Okay, and I know mine's a pretty messy job. I erased his hand, I forgot the floor. You want to clean those up and make them look nice and good. Okay, I even have a disproportional of a larger booth and a smaller booth. It's totally up to you. Okay, again, you can do this with a partner. You can do it by yourself. Just remember when you are taking photos of the lightsabers, that there are people waiting for them, so take it really quick. Make sure you use a white background right outside the hall so it's nice and easy, and then you should be good to go from there. Okay, and then this one you can save and turn into Classroom, just like your other edits.